The fourth row, connection to the top of the puff, a raising chain, a single crochet into the same top of the puff, 4 loops, a chain of 4 loops, a single crochet into the top of the next puff, again 4 loops, a single crochet into the top of the next puff, 4 loops, a single crochet into the next top of the puff, and continue this way till the end of the row. We are in the end of the row, so we need to make the last arch of 4 loops, and we have to finish connecting with the first single crochet of this row. Like that.